Fear is the biggest waste of human potential. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಭಗವಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಭಯದಿಂದ ಕಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Fear is the biggest, in fact, I would say fear is the biggest enemy, a biggest hurdle in whatever you're doing in your life. You know, ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಒಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಎರಡು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಫಿಯರ್. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन हिंदी ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, दे से दैट कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग, द बिगेस्ट डिसीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे लोग, what people will talk about me. Oh my God, for everything you do, you keep saying, if I do this, what people will say, if I do that, what people. Stop living for others. Start living for the self. You know, and so many other fears we have. If I fail, what will happen? If I get rejected, what will happen? You know, let me tell you my own teenage story. You know, and it is a teenage, everybody's story of the teenage, you know. You like a girl in the college and you're scared not, you know, to propose her, just because what will happen if she says no to you, and you never proposed. One fine day you see that she's married to someone else and gone, right? It is your fear of rejection. It's just an example of, you know, teenage lovers, but generally this is what happens. If you just go and propose, let me take the same example again, what will happen? Either she'll say no or she may say yes also. But if you do not ask her because you're scared of rejection, it's already rejection because you are not asked, right? You're already rejected. You yourself have rejected you. She rejecting you or he rejecting you is a second step. But if you do not ask, you have rejected at the first point, at yourself only. In the same way, everywhere, I do not deserve this. I may not be able to perform this. I may not be able to do this. Give it a try, no? What are you scared for? If you don't step out at all, how will you reach somewhere? Just because you may not succeed, just because something may go wrong, just because people may reject you, just because if you do not do something good, just because what people will talk about you, you know, these are all unwanted, unnecessary fears we have filled in our subconscious mind, unknowingly, unconsciously, from our childhood, right? So these fears are the biggest hurdles in our life. Whatever you want to do, just replace this fear with courage, because fear is just a state of mind. So is courage. If you can replace your fear with courage, you can make your hell into a beautiful heaven, right? So replace this fear. How to overcome this fear? There are many tools and techniques. The very first thing is you need to change your mindset. As I told you, fear is a state of mind, and state of mind can be changed anytime you want. It just needs some, you know, some techniques maybe. But before that, the very basic thing required is you have to make up your mind that you have to overcome this fear. I'm remembering one small story from, you know, Krishna and Balarama. I'll just tell you that and then we can go for the next question, if you don't mind, Rashmi. Krishna Balarama, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಜಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. They were going through the forest and it was night, and during those days, you know, they did not, you know, they wanted to rest somewhere and there was no, you know, hotels or something. So they had to rest under some tree. So Krishna and Balarama, you know, those days, too many demons were there. So Rakshasru tumba idru. So Krishna and Balarama came up with a proposal ki, first to ನೀನ್ ಮಲಗು. ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಬಲರಾಮ, ನೀನ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು, ನಾನು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. And when you feel tired, wake me up, you sleep, and I'll, you know, walk around and see if nothing goes wrong, right? So first Krishna sleeps down, and Balarama was moving here and there. And suddenly after some time he sees that a big demon comes and he screams, ha 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 ha, I'll eat you people. And Balarama, you know, he got scared. The moment he got scared, he became small and that demon became big. And he again laughed and said, I am going to kill you both. I have a wonderful food today. And the Balarama got scared. He became even small and the demon became big. And finally, when he screamed, the Balarama fainted, fell down, and the demon became too big. When he fell down, Krishna just heard all those sounds and he got up. And he thought Balarama is tired, he's sleeping. Let me, you know, walk around and look after him. So he started looking after, and the demon was still there. He started laughing at the Krishna. He screamed at Krishna, and Krishna, you know, he was full of potential, full of energy. He screamed back more, with more power. And the moment Krishna screamed, the demon becomes small and Krishna becomes big. Second time, demon still screamed, ah, I'm going to kill you. And Krishna said, ah, more, with more power. Krishna becomes bigger, the demon becomes smaller. And finally, demons become so small that he just ties the demon in his dhoti and goes around. Then morning they wake up and they start going. And Balarama tells Krishna, do you know, Krishna, what happened last night? He asked, what happened? And Balaram said, a demon had come last night. A big Rakshasa had come last night. And Krishna says, big? Was he really big? He opens his, you know, dhotis, that knot, and shows, is it this? And Balaram says, yes. How come he became so small? He was too big yesterday. You know? He says like that. And the moral of this story is that demon, that Rakshasa, is our fear. If you get scared by your fears or your problems or your whatever blah blah you have in your life, you become small, that problem becomes big. But if you stand with your full strength and full potential, that problem becomes small, you become big. And when you become big and problem becomes small, it will be very easier for you to handle that problem, to overcome that problem. So be strong, be powerful, and face the challenges of life. It is not that difficult. If I tell you my story, it's again big story. I'm not going to go in that. Why I tell all these things? Because I have gone through all the troubles and traumas of the life. I have seen poverty. I had love failures. I had all problems, whatever a common man can have. All problems I had. And I could overcome all those problems only because I learned to make myself bigger than all other problems. So make yourself big and problems will become small. Overcome your fear. Change that fear energy into courage. And that is possible. Yes. So do that and you'll be out of that fear. You'll have courage and you can get whatever you want in your life if you just have courage to face the challenges of the life.